कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे, जो है वो भी खो सकता है, इस राह में रहजन है इतने, कुछ और यहां हो सकता है। कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, पर जिस लम्हे में तुम जिंदा हो, वो लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है। ये वक्त नहीं फिर आएगा, तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Women have written about all kinds of subjects, all kinds of things that bothered them, not just their romantic and domestic preoccupations. They have celebrated beauty and agonized over the injustices that they see around them. They have laid bare the wounds of our civilization and offered solace and solutions in equal measure. Listen to what Warsan Shire, a Somali British poet, writer, and activist whose parents fled the civil war in Kenya, has to say. What they did yesterday afternoon, they set my aunt's house on fire. I cried the way women on TV do, folding in the middle like a 5-pound note. I called the boy who used to love me, tried to okay my voice. I said, "Hello." He said, "Warson, what's wrong? What's happened?" I have been praying, and this is what my prayers look like. Dear God, I come from 2 countries. One is thirsty, the other is on fire. They both need water. Later that night, I held an atlas in my lap, ran my fingers across the whole world, and whispered, "Where does it hurt?" It answered, "Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere." As the world becomes ridden with more and more inequality and discrimination and conflict, as societies become consumed with hatred and fear, as technology moves humans and societies closer together and further apart simultaneously, we navigate war and famine, we have to ask who gains from this state of affairs and who pays the price. Let us hear from someone who has paid the price. The following poem is written by Wisława Szymborska, a Polish poet and essayist who won the 1996 Nobel Prize for Literature. The poem has been translated by Joanna Treziak. The end and the beginning. After every war, someone has to clean up. Things won't straighten themselves up after all. Someone has to push the rubble to the side of the road so corpse-filled wagons can pass. Someone has to get mired in scum and ashes, sofa springs, splintered glass, and bloody rags. Someone has to drag a girder to prop up a wall. Someone has to glaze a window, rehang a door. Photogenic, it is not, and takes years. All the cameras have left for another war. We'll need the bridges back and new railway stations. Sleeves will go ragged from rolling them up. Someone, broom in hand, still recalls the way it was. Someone else listens and nods with unsevered head. But already there are those nearby starting to mill about who will find it dull. From out of the bushes, sometimes someone still unearths rusted out arguments and carries them to the garbage pile. Those who knew what was going on here must make way for those who know little and less than little, and finally, as little as nothing. In the grass that has overgrown causes and effects, someone must be stretched out, blade of grass in mouth, gazing up at the clouds. Did this poem conjure up a picture of Gaza, Palestine, in your minds? And are you, like me, appalled that that atrocity is being committed as we speak by people who have suffered the greatest atrocity the 20th century has ever known, the Holocaust, and the world watches and can do nothing about it? You know, I started off this conversation talking about the fact that women's voices are not heard enough. But frankly, I don't think it really matters. Because today, world over, all kinds of people are writing in all kinds of voices, in all languages, in all kinds of fora, holding up a mirror to our society and our world, forcing us and our consciences to take note. क्या ये बेमानी नहीं लगता कि मर्द और औरत की बेवजह डाइकोटमी को हम घसीटे जा रहे हैं? उसको रद्द कर देने का वक्त आ गया है, क्योंकि आगे वाली चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए मर्द हो या औरत, हम सबको तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, मक्कम करना पड़ेगा। और ऐसे में फहमीदा रियाज की नज़्म हिम्मत बांधती है। ये नज़्म उन्होंने फैज़ अहमद फैज़ की नज़्म तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो की ज़मीन पर लिखी है। That was very popular, you know. Poets riffed off of each other and, you know, used a few words. गुलजार साहब ये बहुत करते हैं। तो फहमीदा रियाज की नज़्म का नाम है कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे, जो है वो भी खो सकता है, इस राह में रहजन है इतने, कुछ और यहां हो सकता है। कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, पर जिस लम्हे में तुम जिंदा हो, वो लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है। ये वक्त नहीं फिर आएगा, तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। You have been a wonderful audience. Thank you for being there. Thank you for listening. And thank you for learning to share that this is what makes us humans. This gathering of people in one space, hearts beating with each other, minds connecting. This is what we have to hold on to. And hats off to spoken word and many other such formats which give us this opportunity to connect. Thank you very much. Adab.